Hydraulic decoilers handle 10-ton coils 6, paired with 11 roller straighteners ensuring flawless flatness. After leveling, they are cut to the set length. Smart punching, hydraulic systems deliver 180-ton cutting force, creating bolt holes at 12 meters per second. This machine can produce 2 or 3 wave profiles. Typically, only adjustments to the roll forming process are needed. Fully automated with PLC control. Each unit undergoes 72+ hours of trial runs with live material before shipment. From coil to crash barrier, where innovation meets infrastructure. Guard safety, guard the world. Commitment, delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.